Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by mounting the reticle scope precisely. Tighten rings to the specified torque and confirm consistent eye relief so you see a full sight picture. Once done, center the reticle in the tube and set a stable cheek weld so your head repeats the same alignment. Use a bubble level against the turret cap and action to remove cant. This prevents point of impact shift at distance. Make sure the base is clean and hardware is snug before moving to live adjustments. You bore sight first to save ammo and speed up zeroing. Set target at 25-50 yards and adjust turrets until the reticle and bore align roughly. Then fire controlled 3-shot groups from a stable rest, observing group location. Once you see group center, translate distance error into turret clicks using the scope's click value. Adjust elevation, then windage in single, consistent clicks. After each change, fire another group. Repeat until your groups are centered at the chosen 0 distance. You finish by verifying repeatability. Fire multiple groups and confirm 0 at the primary distance and 1 longer range. Use a ballistic turret or BDC marks for quick holds if available. Once satisfied, lock turrets or note exact settings and secure any turret caps. If your point of impact shifts, stop and inspect mounts, rings, and the reticle for movement. Red-iton hardware and recheck eye relief. If problems persist, rebore sight and re-zero. Addressing mounting issues usually resolves most shifts.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.